Do you like stickers? But you don't want to buy them from the market because they are either boring or too expensive. Don't worry. Today I will teach you how to make stickers at home. These stickers will look even better and cost much less. First, you need to draw your stickers, or if you want, you can also print them. Oh, you don't have a printer and you don't know how to draw? No problem, there is a solution. Just download the Paper Copy Tracer app on your phone or tablet. Open the sticker image inside the app. Place a paper on top of the screen and start tracing. Make sure the room is dark so you can see the screen clearly. I have now finished drawing all the stickers. Let's add some colours. Great, our stickers are ready. Now, the question is, how do we stick them? There are two options. First, if you have an old notebook cover, the kind kids use for name stickers, that's the best option. If not, you can use butter paper. I had sticker paper, so I used that. First, place transparent tape on the paper. Then, cut all your stickers. Be careful, cut them very close to the outline. Now, place the stickers on the tape with a little space between them. Then cover them again with tape. Press them well with the help of a scale or scissors, just like I did. All my stickers are ready. Now it's time to cut them again. But this time, leave a small gap around the edges. If you cut too close, they will not stick. Done! I have cut all the stickers. Let's try them on my diary. Look how cute they look. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and leave a comment. Bye-bye.